The US dollar remains strong amid the expectations of a bulk of important events that will take place this week. The US Fed will announce its meeting results on Wednesday, whereas the Bank of England and the ECB are going to unveil their rate decisions on Thursday. In our video review, we will find out what macroeconomic reports may attract investors today. As expected, the UK unemployment rate dropped to 4.2% from 4.3%. The country continues surprising economists with the perfect data on the labour market amid a drop in other economic sectors. It's quite possible that this mismatch led to a modest rise in the pound sterling. Today, volatility is even lower than yesterday. Meanwhile, the euro showed a more noticeable increase amid quite a strong reason. The fact is that the Eurozone industrial production exceeded the forecasts. Economists had expected a rise of 2.9% after a 5.1% jump in the previous period. In fact, the indicator slowed down to 3.3%. Although the dynamic became weaker than recent advance, is an absolutely positive fact. Notably, the economy is still recovering from last year's crisis. Nevertheless, both the euro and the British pound may repeat yesterday's scenario and return to the previous levels closer to the end of the day. The situation could be caused by the growth in the US Producer Price Index to 9.2% from 8.6%. If the predictions come true, the US inflation is likely to go on surging, despite the fact that it has already reached the 39-year high. This means that the US regulator still has a lot of reasons to tighten the monetary policy. Even if tomorrow the key interest rate remains unchanged, the regulator may intend to raise the benchmark rate at a faster pace in the next 2 years. The prospects is likely to boost the greenback. Let us closely examine the trading charts. The euro-dollar pair has been trading sideways for the second week in a row, gradually narrowing the range. This signals the end of the corrective phase and the start of the accumulation process. The sideways channel between 1.1265 and 1.1355 is still intact. Thus, traders may apply the breakout strategy. We have the following trading recommendations. Once the price consolidates above 1.1360 on the 4-hour chart, traders may open buy positions. Sell orders could be initiated below 1.1260 in the same period. And the pound-dollar pair is also moving sideways, hovering near the low of the downward trend. This reflects the bearish market sentiment and a possible break of the support level. If the price fixes below 1.3165 on the 4-hour chart, traders may go short. In this case, the downtrend may continue, thus pushing the price towards the psychological level of 1.3000. Until the pair breaks the control level, the flat movement will be intact. How is trading going to unfold in the short term? We will definitely tell you in our next video reviews. Don't miss them and stay up to date with the latest market news. See you!